5 Summer Detox Drinks for Weight Loss. Welcome to our video on 5 Summer Detox Drinks for Weight Loss. Try the vibrant orange detox water. Full of vitamins, it boosts energy and aids in digestion, making it a summer essential. Watermelon isn't just for mojitos, it's a summer detox marvel, perfect for those hot days. Discover the magic of lemon and mint detox water. A tangy, refreshing drink packed with vitamins and minerals. Don't forget cucumber, the ultimate ingredient for a refreshing summer mojito detox. Sip on apple cinnamon detox water to keep weight gain at bay. Its fat-burning properties will boost your metabolism. Join us in making these delicious, healthy detox drinks to stay energized and lose weight this summer. 6 Hydrating Summer Drinks Besides Water. Explore 6 hydrating summer drinks beyond water to keep your electrolytes balanced. Mint shikanji mixes digestive properties of mint with lemon's vitamin C for immune and appetite regulation. Forget aerated drinks, coconut water offers natural minerals, skin, and hair protection. Bale juice combats summer gut issues, enriches with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, safeguarding skin and regulating diabetes. Chalk, or buttermilk, is a probiotic-rich drink that aids digestion, regulates body temperature, and refreshes. Aam Punna, a nutritious cola alternative, boosts immunity with vitamin C and maintains electrolytes with mint and spices.